Good morning, my beautiful family and friends, and welcome to Coco's Cucina. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, guys, now's a great time to do so. All you have to do is click the subscribe button. The notification bell, guys, it will notify you of any new and upcoming videos that I release. So without any further ado, guys, today we're going to go ahead and get our waffle cut sweet potatoes with a honey orange glaze. So what we did, guys, we went ahead and peeled our sweet potato and cut it with our waffle cutter about a half an inch thick. So then, guys, I'm going to go ahead and place those in my most favorite piece of cooking equipment, which is my bamboo steamer. And in the skillet, I got about a half a cup of water, guys, okay? And so you're going to go ahead and cover that up, guys. You're going to let that cook for approximately 7 to 10 minutes until it's nice and soft. And then once it's soft, guys, I'm going to go ahead and place that in a glass baking dish. But before that, we got to get our glaze together, right? So with our glaze, guys, these are the ingredients that I used. I used the orange peel. I used butter, honey. I used sugar, nutmeg, and vanilla paste, right? So in your pot, you're going to go ahead and get your butter melted. You're going to add your sugar. You're going to add your honey. And you're going to go ahead and add your nutmeg, your orange peel, and your vanilla paste. And you're going to bring that to a nice boil. So you're going to go ahead and taste this also, guys. You're going to find out if you want to add more cinnamon. I don't add a lot of cinnamon. I don't like a lot of cinnamon. But you taste it and you add or subtract however you want to do it. And so just bring this to a nice boil, guys. And once it comes to a rapid boil, you're going to go ahead and remove that from the stove, but just make sure it doesn't burn. And you're going to go ahead and place that glaze over your already cooked sweet potatoes, right? And you're going to place that in the oven maybe about 3 to 5 more minutes, guys, just to get the glaze incorporated with the sweet potatoes because they're already done. You can sprinkle it with a little bit more nutmeg, guys, and voila. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.